Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. I will show you how to get a referral link on trading 212 platform. So guys, it's easy steps, and first step guys, open your account if you don't have any account yet. And after that guys, all you have to do, click on the when you log in your account, click on the three line on the top down on the down, and after that guys, all you have to do, go to get free shares from here, this gift icon. After that guys, click invite friends on this option icon, and after that guys, what you have to do, click invite friends, and from here click copy link from here, or you can share link on the other social media platform or anything. And if you want to copy link, just click copy link. It's easy steps guys, and without any complicated. This is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comments, and I will answer your question.